Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Delicious Delights. Rick, and today, we have an incredible culinary journey in store for you. If you're a food lover like us, you're in for a treat. We'll be diving into the world of cooking and food, exploring mouth-watering recipes and unique gastronomic experiences. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. In this episode, we'll be preparing a delectable Thai basil chicken stir-fry. Are you ready to embark on this flavorful adventure? Let's begin by uncovering our fresh and vibrant ingredients. The ingredients: basil, chicken, garlic, onions, bell peppers, and more. Just look at these colorful ingredients. They're bursting with aroma and taste. The combination of flavors is going to be out of this world. Now that we have everything set, it's time to heat up the wok and get cooking. As they say, cooking is an art, and we'll show you how to create a masterpiece. Whisk chicken broth, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, white sugar, and brown sugar together in a bowl until well blended. Heat large skillet over high heat. Drizzle in oil. Add chicken and stir fry until it loses its raw color, 2 to 3 minutes. The sizzle of the chicken hitting the hot wok, the aroma of garlic and basil filling the air, it's truly a sensory delight. Add about a tablespoon of the sauce mixture to the skillet. Cook and stir until sauce begins to caramelize, about 1 minute. Pour in the rest of the sauce. Cook and stir until sauce has deglazed the bottom of the pan. Continue to cook until sauce glazes onto the meat, 1 or 2 more minutes. Remove from heat. Stir in basil. Cook and stir until basil is wilted, about 20 seconds. Serve with rice. We eat with our eyes first, right? Look at these vibrant colors and textures. This dish is not only delicious but also a feast for the eyes. Scene 4: tasting time. Host, excitedly. Now comes the moment we've been waiting for. The taste test. This is absolutely fantastic. The tender chicken, the aromatic basil, and the perfect blend of spices. It's a symphony of flavors in every bite. We hope you enjoyed cooking and tasting this Thai basil chicken stir-fry as much as we did. And the best part? We're sharing the recipe in the video description below, so you can recreate this masterpiece at home. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure today. We'll be back soon with more mouth-watering recipes and food explorations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Delicious Delights for more delectable content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of cooking and food, and remember, the joy of food is best when shared. Bye-bye, everyone. See you in the next video.